Alright everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I am here to unbox the Poceton stainless steel hard drive cage. Yes. Now I brought this here because I had some hard drives sitting on my desk and I did not want them to be just stacked on top of each other like this here. As you see, I got them all stacked on top of each other and that looks tacky. Now keep in mind, to all y'all tech enthusiasts, now y'all think that these are what? SATAs? No, they're not SATAs. Those are IDEs, baby. Yes, sir. These are my IDE hard drives. I had 5 of them, and I got 5 more into an enclosed case, which I gotta put up. Now, those enclosed hard drives I just mentioned that holds all my music, pictures, etc. These is gonna be holding majority of my videos, so I can just go ahead and back those up instead of cramping up my hard drive space on my SSDs, my 1 terabyte, my 500s, and my 300s, etc. in all my computers. So these are gonna be holding down my hard drives. Now to all y'all tech enthusiasts, this is what we used to be on back in the old school days. Yes, sir. We went from IDEs to SATAs to SSDs to M.2s. Now, what's next after the M.2 drives? We just can't wait to see. And this is one reason why I could go ahead and appreciate the technology world, because I watched computer hardware grew over the years from the early 1980s to where we at now. Okay, now I am unboxing the Poceton hard drive cage. Now as you see off bat rep, Poceton, I hope y'all watching and listening, put a picture on top of your box. Here is just a nice, plain, simple box. A nice good picture that makes the product see to consumer eyes to what we know what the product looks like when we install it. Yes. Now this here Poceton stainless steel hard drive cage holds up to 5 hard drives. Now you can go ahead and install them inside your computer. This is basically for installing inside the computer, but what I'm going to be using it for is holding on the outside of my case. So if I want to go ahead and access my hard drives, installing stuff on or retrieving information off the disk, I could do so. I have an old school IDE hookup that is IDE to USB, which is the Easy IDE. I still have that there. Oh my gosh, I brought that there back into like what, the late 80s when I was transferring information to hard drives, pulling them off, wiping them clean, reinstalling, or the hard drive went bad. I had to use that to go ahead and back up some, do drive transfer, etc., and back up. Alrighty, let's get into the unboxing of the product. Now, as you know, it's made in China. Just like I said, all our stuff made from China, and this is why we can appreciate it, because they work very hard over there in their country, and we can appreciate the products they put out. Okie dokie, let's get into the unboxing. Alrighty, off bat rip, you got your instructions, diagram, tell you how to install it, etc. Nothing on the back is your instructions, so you can go ahead on there and use that to install it. I know I will be, so y'all gonna be watching the installation as well too. Now, off bat, we got the product itself, nicely packaged. I can appreciate that. Now they say that the hard drive cage can install up to a 120mm fan, which is on front of the black bezel. Now it's packed in there pretty good. Alrighty. Got the screws, and once again, I love it when product comes with screws. Here are your hard drive leg connectors, so those go in your hard drives, and here is the product cage itself. Now keep in mind, be very careful because there are sharp edges. And this is back in days where we used to cut ourselves on top of the metal. So you got four parts. You got 4 parts, your top, your bottom, as well as your front panel mesh. Now there are your 120 hard drive mount connect. So just keep that in mind. You go ahead and hook the hard drive 120 millimeter fan up to it, and you can go ahead and power it like that there to go ahead and keep it nice and cool. Okay, just like I said, when you unbox this, be very careful because the edges are sharp. Would I recommend this to anybody that needs extra hard drive space? If your case don't come with none and you need extra hard drive space, or you just need a hard drive cage just to start old hard drives, you can just access them from your desktop. I will install it, but just keep in mind, be very careful touching the metal because it is sharp around certain edges. So just be very careful. I do recommend y'all wear gloves installing this but just like I said, I want to be very careful installing it, so it's no need for me to sit down and trying to go ahead and be super heroic with the product itself. Can't go wrong with it. It's all right there, all the parts together. I'm gonna go ahead on and be doing the assemble. Y'all gonna get ready to watch that, so let's go ahead on and get into the assemble. Access. Now, as you know, I gotta go ahead and plug in my fan cable. So I plug my fan cable into the power port of the IDE drive. I get my Easy IDE drive controller and I plug that in. Now, the only thing that I will have to do, which is not a problem to me, is I have to unplug it and access it. And the East drive, which is not an issue to me, you know. I was doing that before, and it wasn't a problem. To some people, it might be a problem. That's why the technology has changed. Me, I'm old school. The older the better. And nothing can not old school. So from old PC cases to old motherboards, etc. Older hardware is still around. It's still going to stay around, and you can't get rid of it. Alrighty, let's go ahead and turn it on. And as you see, that's what she looks like. Yes. Got the fan cooling off, the white fan, which gives it a nice good rate, a nice good sleek look to it. You know, got that black and white going on. Nice cool up blowing through it. It's accessing. You can see the side. Now, just like I said in the back, I have to access the drives by unplugging it, adding on. I know which one is which, so it's not really an issue to me. Plug the USB 2.0 cable back into the computer, my 2.0 USB port drive, and voila, she's easy accessible, which giving me more access to all my hard drives in this cage. Now, this cage can also be installed into PC cases that do not come with hard drive cages, so you can go ahead and keep that in mind. If you want to add your internals, SSDs, your internals, SATAs, you could do that. And you got no issue with this. So this is, if you want to go mechanical, a lot of people are straying off mechanical now because they say they're too slow and the SSDs are taking over. But just like I said, the older, the better. Seagate still making these hard drives. They got the wolves coming out, so you got your 16 terabyte and your 18 terabyte. Now just keep in mind the IDEs. I can feel all that cooler bit and exhaust keeping my hard drives cold, because these hard drives do heat up, and the heat span and lifespans of these hard drives are 5 to 10 years on also, as well as SATA. If you don't put no cooling mechanism on them, you got about to 5 to 10 years, because they do heat up. And then once they heat up, you burn them out. Then whatever data you have on it, you lose it. Most people use these hard drives for games, storing their game information on it, pictures, etc., music. Now I have about 5 more hard drives that I got stored away in the closet somewhere, where they hold all my music and my pictures files on them. So pretty much, as well as my editing rig, I got 5 hard drives in my editing rig. So I got my M.2, my 1 terabyte, my 1 500 gigabyte, and my 2.5 320 gigabytes. So yeah, I'm doing pretty good. So, but just like I said, this Poceton 3.5 hard drive bay caddy is a great option. I like it, and you cannot go wrong with it. So if y'all interested in buying it, I'll be putting the link in the description below if y'all think y'all need it. If you old school like me, don't mind connecting up the way I did. You got a SATA one. I mean, you got so many options that you can choose from. Or you just go ahead and buy the RAD that everybody buying. They go ahead on and put the 16 terabytes. How many terabytes you need, whether it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, you go ahead and you buy those hard drives. Other than that, this is good. And this is one reason why I can appreciate my technology to all the new schoolers. That's right, y'all young school that don't understand this generation here, and the people who started doing their tech channels, and they probably don't understand this here. So this is what we were on back in the late 90s, early 2000s. And then everything just took a change, and the change went from old school to new school, and that's where we staying at. So I want to say thank y'all for watching this final cut of the Poceton 3.5 hard drive caddy. I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care. Peace.